It's a manly man's machine. I'll show you where a shear pin goes. Look at all the tools this came with. That's for cleaning out the snow or you shoot if you jam it with ice. Comes with that. Now this one's got a broken shear pin. The way to tell, and by the way, the shear pins don't break inside that gearbox like Troy says. That's a shear pin. That's the factory one. That's a broken one, and as you can see, it's also missing. Right there, that's where the shear pin goes. On this side here, it just attaches to the bearing. Likely won't break, but it's a shear pin bolt by the looks of it. Notice how one side's bigger than the other? That big hole there lines up with the big side of the shear pin. Now, the way that free spins tells you instantly that the shear pin has broken and done its job. I was snow throwing, and I live next door to Troy Reed, and I ran into one of his frozen dead cats, and that big chunk of ice cat got caught in there, and it saved my gearbox by shearing off the shear pin. A broken shear pin is a safety device to save your snowblower from dying a catastrophic death. And Troy talks like a fucking expert or something. Anyway, this one here, and I vaguely remember I bought it in 2013. It had a kit, a tool kit somewhere on it. That's to block the ice and snow from getting in your on-grid starter connection. And I walked around, where in the fuck is that toolkit? Because I thought it came with spare shear pins. And then I seen this. Guess what? This one came from the factory with a spare key and 6 spare shear pin bolts. Because I know what's going to happen. Let's see if she fires up. It's been sitting a while. Maybe I flooded it.